rods break. It's rare to break a rod while playing a fish, and it's even less common when you're casting. Most of the time, it's either carelessness or an accident. No! In the past, you'd have to ship your rod back to the manufacturer. They'd have to hand fit the ferrule, and your rod might have to wait in line. With some manufacturers, this can take up to 6 months. Because Orvis rods made since 2019 are built to the tightest tolerances in the industry, we can guarantee a fit for a replacement rod section without any need for you to return the rod to us. The tolerances of our rod sections are 1/1000th of an inch, thinner than a sheet of paper. This level of precision and a guaranteed exact fit is why Orvis is the leader in the industry. Here's how to get a new rod section quickly and easily. When you buy an Orvis rod, you should always register it. The rod history stays in your Orvis account. When you need a replacement rod section, just pull up the rod in your account. Let us know which section you need and fill out a short form. Just pay the small handling fee and you're done. We'll ship the new section out to you quickly. Most sections are in stock at any time. You can have your rod back on the water in a matter of days.